The Commission on Elections says it would verify reports of vote buying at a recent campaign rally in Hong Kong. In an interview on Monday, March 10, COMELEC Chairman George Garcia reveals that his office had received reports that attendees of a recent political rally there were offered up to 200 Hong Kong dollars to vote straight for a certain Senate slate.
May nakarating po sa ating balita, impormasyon tungkol sa bagay na yan, na allegedly para iboto na straight yung mga pumunta daw sa Hong Kong. Pero alam nyo, yan po kinakailangan i-verify mabuti sapagkat mahirap, baka tayo mga kuryente, baka yan fake news, napakahirap ng misinformation at saka disinformation sa kasalukuyan.
Garcia clarifies that they have yet to verify the information. Garcia also says the COMELEC had started coordinating with the Consulate of Hong Kong to verify the report.
Yes po, tayo po nakikipag-communicate na sa ating konsulada sa Hong Kong upang makakuha din ng mga balita tungkol dyan sa bagay na yan. Kung meron sana na gustong lumantad at nagsabi na sila ay inoferan, binigyan, mas maganda po yan, mas mapapandali yung ating ginagawang pagsasaliksik tungkol sa bagay na yan.